Hey, it's Kim from Schaefer Chevrolet showcasing the 2022 Ram 1500 Classic Warlock Edition 4-wheel drive crew cab with only 95,000 miles on it. This vehicle is currently priced at $26,500 as of today while I'm doing the video. The book value is at $34,350, so great value on it. We'll go ahead and take a peek at the exterior, interior, and I'll show you any of the damages that I noticed on the inside, outside, and any smells. So stick with me here as we get through this video. I do ask if you have any questions, feel free to go ahead and reach out to me. I'll make sure in the description to leave my contact details on how you can go ahead and purchase this vehicle or any other vehicles that we have on our lot. The nice thing with me is I have prided myself in the past 14 years to ensure that I show customers details and give information on what it is they're looking for. Free Carfax does come with all of the vehicles that we have on the lot. You will see there's a power sliding rear window on the back there and nice clean seats in the back. Couple little tiny chips there in the paint. You got a manual driver's seat there, but we do have power windows and the child safety locks. And moving around here, we're going to start the vehicle. I'm short, I apologize. 5'2" and I have the seat all the way back. Get this air kicked on for me. It's hot here. I don't know about what it's like where you're at, but all right. So you can see the vehicle starts right up. No check engine lights or any bad warning lights on it. And go ahead and show you it does have the navigation screen. Pop it into reverse and you can go ahead and see that nice backup camera as well. Put it back into park. And we'll take a peek. We got that integrated trailer brake controller down there, which is really nice to actually have. This vehicle can actually be 5-passenger or 6-passenger. See, we've got that seat there, which is nice and clean. And there as well. Up top, we've got our power sunroof with the universal remote there. I'm trying to get it in my screen. The sun is kind of blinding me. There we go. There you can see it. And that the control panels there for that rear slider. So vehicle is equipped with the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as well. We're gonna hop back out. I'm going to show you any damages that I noticed. You do have the heated exterior mirrors there as well. I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but it's right there, your little signal for that. So I showed you the chip already. We're going to walk around, take a peek at the tires. Tires look good. The vehicle is actually backed by our 3,000 mile powertrain. I want to get to this bumper here, see if you can see. There's a little bit of a rust starting on this side and that side as well. And I'll also show you that on the other side. Getting up close, just a little tiny, I don't know what that really is. It's like a little blotch of something. But then we've got our bed, which is protected by the bed liner. And there we go on the screen for that. Show you this side of the back seat. Nice floor mats. And I went ahead and washed the truck ahead of time so I could kind of give you a better visual of what we were looking at. Oh, no, doesn't really look like there's anything to show there. Just a little bit of, it's like a rougher spot here, and you can see that it's starting to rub off. So you got some of that spot right there going on the front. So I'm not quite sure if like the customer went ahead and like repainted to give it like that rougher texture for extra protection, or if that was something from factory. But I do notice that is starting to fade away a little bit and peel away on the front bumper. But again, I'm kind of really looking hard for things to break this vehicle apart for you. I do think it's going to be a nice running vehicle. Has that HEMI 5.7 V8 liter in it. Again, it's nice to have that navigation. The one thing I forgot to tell you, we'll start it up here. You do have the remote start. So we'll go ahead and start the vehicle. if I actually can lock the vehicle and get it to start here. Press the right buttons. There we go. I just had to hit the right buttons to get it to go. Took me a hot minute. And the other one little tiny spot that I forgot to show was up here. You'll see on the hood. Give me a second, we'll go ahead and pop it and you can take a peek at it as it's running. I'm gonna go ahead and actually start the vehicle so that it doesn't turn itself off. Where's my, oh, in the center. These sunglasses are killing me today. Again, like I said, I'm a whole whopping 5'2". Probably only 5'1", but I've said 5'2" my entire life, so we're gonna roll with that. Try and do my best to get you some good images here of what you're looking to see. But if you have any other questions, feel free to go ahead and give me a call or a text. Like I said, all that information will be in the bottom. Have a great day.